Want to see the time and notifications without fully waking your Android phone? In this guide, I will show you how to turn Always On display on or off, choose when it appears, change its clock, and fix the most common reason it seems not to work. Start on the home screen. Swipe up to open your apps, then tap Settings. In Settings, tap the Search Settings icon near the top right, type Always On Display. Under Top Hits, tap Always On Display. This opens the lock screen settings page with the correct option highlighted. Tap the Always On Display row to open all of its controls. The main switch at the top is the fastest way to enable or disable the feature. Turn the main switch on. Now choose when the display should appear. Tap to Show keeps the screen dark until you tap it. Show always leaves the clock visible whenever the phone is locked. Show as scheduled lets you limit it to certain hours, while Show for new notifications wakes it only when a new alert arrives. Choose the mode that fits how you use the phone. If you choose Show as scheduled, tap Set Schedule and select a start and end time. This can stop the clock glowing beside your bed overnight. Next, tap Clock Style. Pick a digital or analog design, choose a color, and tap Done so the change is saved. Every choice you make here is shown in the preview before you commit it. Scroll lower for the remaining controls. Show Music information can place the current track on the locked display. Screen Orientation lets you choose Portrait or Landscape. Auto Brightness adjusts the clock to the room, and you can turn it off if you prefer a fixed brightness level. If Always On display seems missing, first confirm the master switch is on, and make sure your selected schedule includes the current time. Here is the complete path again. Open Settings, search for Always On Display, open the top result, and tap the Always On Display row. Use the master switch to turn it on or off. Then choose Tap to Show, Show Always, Show as Scheduled, or Show for new notifications. Adjust the clock style, orientation, and brightness if needed. That is all it takes. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more Android guides.